channel. So how are you guys all doing today? I am going to be doing just like a fun little get ready with me, but we're doing like a little twist because I'm going to be turning into a summer fairy. So it is already like so warm here. I've been going to the beach. I've been like looking for shark's teeth. That's one of my favorite things to do. I feel like a little treasure hunter when I go out there and look for shark's teeth. So it's time for like paddle boarding, springs, all the summer fun things that I like to do. And it just inspired me to like embrace my inner summer fairy, which is like all the things I like to do is fairy stuff. So we're just gonna be doing a little transformation, a little get ready with me while I just chit chat and talk to everyone and we all catch up and stuff. So let's get into it. So most of the products that I want to use today are from ColourPop's Twilight collection. So I have this Twilight palette. It's like a really pretty eyeshadow palette. Like, and look, I love the Twilight cover art. I literally just watched all the Twilights again just recently, so I forgot eyeshadow. So I am super excited to do this, and I just got these new. So they had the Twilight, ColourPop released the Twilight collection. It sold out so fast, and I was able to get this. But I do think they're restocked if you guys want to check out ColourPop's Twilight palette. And they did just come out with their, I don't know how recently, but their latest one was the New Moon collection. So I had to get these. I got these 3 color shift eyeliners. So I love the packaging. The packaging was so cute too. I wanted to keep it. I'll throw a picture up so you can see how cute. But so these are just 3 color shifting eyeliners. So cute. So this one's called Wolf Girl. Of course, I am Team Jacob. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a wolf girl. So I'll share those colors. Look at that. So Wolf Girl is like a gold to kind of green color shift, mostly goldish brownish when you look on the eye. So it's a really shimmery, pretty color shift. So that's Wolf Girl. And then this is Vampire Girl. So you got Wolf Girl, Vampire Girl, of course. And we will do a little swatch of that. Oop. Guys, I never said I was a beauty influencer. But you know what? Look how pretty that is. So pretty. So Vampire Girl is obviously a red color shift. So it's very red. I actually have not worn this one yet. I've worn the other 2 a lot. They're like my go-to, it's like my go-to makeup look now is just, these things. What I'll do, my everyday eyeliner now, or like my, not everyday because some days I just don't wear makeup at all, but my frequent makeup look now is this color. So this is It's Always Been Him. It's a green to gold color shift, but it's like much more on the green. So yeah, those are the colors. So these are the colors: Wolf Girl, Vampire Girl, It's Always Been Him. And It's Always Been Him is like a green to gold color shift. That's like my favorite one. So I love these looks because like lately I will just do like an eyeliner look. So I'll just line the bottom and the top eyeliner like around. Did I explain that right? Anyways, and that's like my latest makeup look. So I really love that look. So we're gonna be using these to create a really pretty summer fairy. And of course I'm gonna have to use It's Always Been Him because it's my latest favorite makeup. And then I also got in that palette, where is it? Oh yeah, I also got in the new, oh wait, this is actually the Twilight collection. This is the Twilight collection. So I actually got this, it's a metallic, look at the packaging, so cute. But it's a metallic green eyeliner. It's called, the color is called, I think, Forever. So it's just a liquid, metallic, gorgeous. So we have to do that. So I think we're gonna do like an all over lid with It's Always Been Him. And then we'll do like a sharp cat eye eyeliner with this. Look how pretty that is on my arm, seriously. I love it. I'm going to link them in the description below just so it's easier for you guys to find if you're interested, but yeah, I love it. we're gonna do a look with, we're gonna start with It's Always Been Him, and just use, this is an eyeshadow stick, so we're just gonna, literally, this is like the easiest application ever. So normally when I wear it like on a daily look, I'll just do this. And then I'll do this to create just like an eyeliner. And then I'll go around all the way. So I'll just literally, and look how cool. So easy and so pretty, and that'll be just like my everyday look. Mascara, and then I'm good to go. I'm like obsessed with these color shift eyeshadows. Okay, so this would be just like my everyday eyeliner look, but now we're gonna make it funky for, this look. I just already lost my pen. Okay, we're gonna make it a little funky. I had to move my mirror. I had to move my mirror because all of a sudden I realized I cannot do makeup just looking at like my phone. And that's why if you see like my eyes shift, I'm like trying to look at my makeup look on my phone, and I'm not using my actual camera. So I'm gonna do some things I might have to do like off camera, even though I want this to be like a little chit chatty. So I'm gonna try my best to do everything completely on camera and just, all right, here we go. All right, so I put it on both eyes, and I kind of just like winged out the shadow. So I'm also going to go in with this. I have another little like eyeshadow stick, like the Twilight ones, but this is from ColourPop's Winks collection, and I have a thing for these color shift eyeshadows. I think they're just so pretty. And this is, here we go. This, so this is more like a highlighter, which we're gonna put up here. We're gonna put in the corners. We're gonna put up here. So we're going for full-blown elf fairy look. So summer fairy, elf fairy look. So all right, so now I'm gonna use this Forever graphic eyeliner to create a cat eye on the top eyeliner look. Here is like my everyday elven makeup look. I think a color shift eyeshadow is really like a game changer. Now I'm just gonna add some mascara. So I have been obsessively watching these baby birds that have been outside in my backyard. They're so freaking cute. And cardinals are like a sign of a loved one that's passed away, like a sign that they're watching over you. And it's just been so beautiful to watch like all the animals in spring. And if you're observant, you'll notice all the little baby animals that are coming out. And I'm like so obsessed. I'll add a little cute video of the baby cardinals that I have been watching in my backyard. For the lip, I'm gonna be using this. This is like a hydrating lip plumper in like, what color is this? It doesn't have a color. So I'm just gonna be using this. All right, so all that I have left to do is add the ears. Oh, also, I don't know if you noticed, besides the swatches, this really cool ring that I'm wearing. So this is not just like an ordinary ring. This is the coolest ring I've ever had. This is one of those rings. It's called the Ultrahuman Ring that like tracks your sleep, your stress, like your activity, everything. It is so, so cool. It's honestly like a game changer because sometimes the Apple Watches, you know, like you want a fitness tracker, but like Fitbits, Apple Watches, they can be so bulky and you don't really want to like actually sleep in it, and their charge doesn't last at all. But these rings, they have like, they can last 6 days, the battery, and it's so light you don't even feel like you're wearing it. I totally forget I'm wearing it, and it tracks like everything. Like I'll show you all like the biometrics. I'm like really into like health and wellness, and I know I've talked about it in my videos before. I had a kidney transplant in 2018. My sister donated her kidney to me. I was born with a genetic condition that caused my kidneys to fail. So health has been a huge important part of my life, and getting this ring, the Ultrahuman Ring, has been like a complete game changer for my health. It like allows me to like actively make choices every day that are going to improve my health, which for me means so much. It's like so vital. It's not just like a piece of tech, it's like peace of mind. I don't just like talk about products unless I really like it. And I really, really love this. I'll even show you like my little like the app that shows you like all the tracking stuff and like you're sleeping, and it's so cool because I've never had something that analyzed my sleep so well. And I already feel like it is helping me improve on those steps. It tells you like your caffeine window, like when to drink caffeine, and like how stressed out you are and your heart rate and like everything. I'm obsessed. So yeah, this is like my new favorite like little tech gadget. It's like I feel like I'm biohacking. I'm doing like my, you know, I'm doing like my fairy biohacking. Like I'm still into my tech, but I can be out in nature. Like I'm obsessed with it. So Ultrahuman Ring gave me a discount code for my followers, which is Emerald10, and you can get 10% off your Ultrahuman Ring. And I swear I'm gonna be talking about it in more videos because this is not just like this is like something that is going to be used every single moment of my life. Like it is a daily wear. I love it so much. I got it in silver because I normally wear like silver jewelry, but they also have like a bunch of different colors and styles, and you can even get like a sizer to see what ring size you are. But yeah, I'm obsessed. I highly recommend. If you're someone who values your health and your wellness, even if you're someone who like wants to start valuing that and wants to, this is like the perfect way to start because it tells you like everything to optimize your health every single day. So the next part of my fairy transformation is I need a cute outfit and probably some wings. So let's go find those together.